In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect a GoDaddy domain to Shopify. We'll start inside your Shopify admin. From your store's home screen, open Settings, then select Domains. This is where Shopify manages all addresses that point to your storefront. If you've been using the default My Shopify address, this is the place to attach your custom domain so customers see your brand right in the URL. On the Domains page, choose the option to connect an existing domain. This tells Shopify that you've already purchased a domain elsewhere and simply want to point it to your store. When prompted, type the GoDaddy domain you own. Keep it simple. Just the base domain, like example.com. Don't include HTTP, HTTPS slashes, or any extra paths. If you plan to use a subdomain, such as shop.example.com, you can enter that instead. But most stores use the main domain with or without the www. Click Next to move to the setup screen. If Shopify offers to connect automatically with GoDaddy, that's the fastest route. You'll be prompted to confirm the connection through your GoDaddy account, and Shopify will handle the DNS updates for you. If you prefer to set things up manually, or if automatic connection isn't available, you'll update your DNS records in GoDaddy. The typical configuration is an A record for the root domain pointing to Shopify's IP address at 23.227.388.65 and a CNAME record for www pointing to shops.myshopify.com. Be sure to remove any old A records or C names that conflict with these, since duplicates or mismatched entries can prevent the connection. You can leave the TTL at its default value unless you have a specific reason to change it. Once the DNS is saved, return to Shopify and continue the connection. Shopify will check your records and may show a pending status while changes propagate. This can be quick, often just a few minutes, but in some cases it can take longer. If it doesn't verify right away, give it a little time and check back. When the domain is connected, set it as your primary domain so visitors always land on the address you want. You may also notice Shopify issuing an SSL certificate. That's normal and ensures your site loads securely over HTTPS. It can take a short while to finalize. That's it. You've connected your GoDaddy domain to Shopify. If something isn't verifying, double check for typos, remove any conflicting DNS records, and allow DNS propagation to complete before testing again. Now your store is ready to greet customers at your branded URL.